Job opening, Electronics Automobile Manufacturing Company. Location, Pillaipakkam, Sriperumbudur, Chennai. Gender, male-female. Age limit, 18 to 40 years. Qualification. 10th eth. ETI Diploma. B.Sc any degree. Departments. Production. Quality. Assembly. Experience, freshers experienced. Work hours, 8 hours, 3-shift system. Salary, 16,000 rupee to 20,000 rupee per month weekly off. Other benefits. ESI PF facility. Food provided during shift hours. Free transport available, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Poonamallee, Sunguvarchatram, Sriperumbudur. Contact 9952926301 9943008078 965553744871